Tuesday, November 19th, 2024. Coming up on the assembly buildings. And off in the distance there is two towers. What, Booster 13, Ship 31, ready to go. I got Chica here. Baby Isabella. Fortunate enough for them to come.
Do you even know what today is?
It's the anniversary of Dad.
Yeah.
And it's Dad's anniversary. Passing away. So we're passing obviously the Rocket Garden and new assembly building that I haven't seen yet. Glass there. So someday we'll come back and can tour all this stuff. And again, probably not. Left side, stay away from the right side. That's SpaceX property.
It's all shiny and pretty.
Yep, there's the rocket. First time to see it assembled. Got all the trucks here to load all the propellants, methane, liquid oxygen. Here's all the people. It is Tuesday, November 19th, 2024, and you're here to see your first ever rocket launch with Mama. It's Mama's second rocket launch, but this is the most famous rocket ever. It's the biggest rocket ever. Do you care? Whoopity-doo?
Yeah.
Whoopity-doo!
Say
And
yes.
what do we say when the rocket's going to take off today? What do we say? We say, go rocket, go. Go rocket, go. The mosquito just got her on our back. Alrighty, soak it in for a little bit here. We drove 6.5 hours-ish to get here for an 8 o'clock road closing. It's the road that's going to close. We've got tons of people that are on private property that are not supposed to be. But yeah, there's Starship ready to launch in how many hours? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 8, 9 hours. It's going to launch. We're going to go to Rocket Ranch, see it launch from there. Got the trucks down there loading up. What a beautiful sight. Alright, so here we are, about an hour out-ish. Got a record crowd here.
Stop it.
Space flight.
Okay, now you look like mama. Leave it in, baby. And now we're gonna put these on.
We're all like a bunch of children.
Oh, get off the road.
Is that good?
T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Let's go, baby.
My heart rate's 93 over there. Okay? My resting heart rate is about 65.
Wow.
Way up there.
See what it goes up to when it launches.
Yeah, it'll probably be putting the 1 teens.
T-minus 1 minute.
1 minute, baby.
Here, baby, take
60
a
seconds.
drink.
That click.
Down.
Sip. Take a
There,
drink.
that's active.
I have to hold it out like this. Okay, watch way over there, way over there. The white stick. So if I whack you in the face,
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
I'll do this.
Yeah. Before you know it, I'll be looking at it.
Yeah. Like I said, just once it gets up.
Count continues through T-minus 40. We're actually at T-minus 30 and counting.
There we go.
Minus 30.
It's gonna happen, baby. Let's watch it.
6.
Hey, what's the rocket?
T-minus 13.
More water.
T-minus 10.
Deluge.
There's the water. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
Holy
Get off that pad.
Now liftoff.
Let's go.
Ooh, this is a little slow.
Stand by for sound coming in.
There we go. It's beautiful.
50 kilometers an hour.
Let's go. See,
That baby.
big rocket.
Let's go.
Birds.
Holy crap.
Keep track of that moving light.
These binoculars are great.
T-minus 1 minute, 25 seconds. 1,800 kilometers an hour, 19 kilometers
Oh my
altitude.
goodness.
Keep it on, baby. Keep it on.
It's going.
T plus 1 minute, 40 seconds, 25 kilometers altitude, 2,400 kilometers an hour.
See, the candle's still lit.
Max Q.
All engines lit.
Crazy. It literally looks like
T
a
plus
star.
1 minute, 50 seconds, 31 kilometers altitude, 23,000 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, it's through Max Q already.
T plus 2 minutes, 39 kilometers altitude, 3,500 kilometers an
See the
hour.
little light? You see the rocket?
All engines still burning.
Yeah.
It's gonna come back.
I know, huh?
All engines burning. Let's go.
2 minutes and 17 seconds downrange, 50 kilometers, 4,500 kilometers an hour. 4,800. Coming up on 5,000.
depends on what's following. Yeah, there's that might be the cat team behind them there in the black.
You like the music?